growing up, I sold my soul a good price, out of sight. My hoe got talent, right? Whole squad ran, do that shit, yikes.
LG OLED TV Installation Guide 65W7. This video is the installation guide for LG OLED TV W7. We will walk you through the installation process from unboxing to bracket and OLED TV installation. Let's begin with the unboxing of the product. This is the product box of the LG OLED TV W7. Carefully open the product box. When you open the box, you will see the welcome guide. It provides a simple introduction to the installation process. Examine the welcome guide carefully. There are two handles located on each side of the product box. Remove the handles from the right and left sides of the box. Then, remove the front and back panels from the box. Remove the top boxes before removing the foam packing from the package. These boxes contain the accessories and extension cable box. Now, remove the foam packing from all sides. The following components should be included in the box: an OLED module, a magic remote control, two AA size batteries, a slim remote control, two CR2032 batteries, an AV gender, a QSG manual, a primary cable, a safety manual, a punching guide, a wall mount bracket, 7 anchor bolts, 7 pi-5 65mm screws, 4 strips of two-sided tape, 2 setup guides, a harness holder, a primary holder, an extension holder, 2 pi-3 10mm screws, extension cable, a companion box. Be sure to have all these components ready before beginning the installation. Now that we have all the accessories prepared, let's begin with the wall mount bracket installation. Remove the wall mount bracket box from the main package. Do not remove the protective cardboard panel from the main package. And open it carefully using a box cutter. Next, remove the wall mount bracket and setup guide sheets from the box. The setup guide sheets are located between the handles of the box. Before installing the wall mount bracket, check if there is enough space between the bottom of the bracket and the AIO box. If you will not be using the extension cable, a distance of 480mm will be sufficient. Now, let's install the wall mount bracket. Move the bracket to the place where it will be installed. Use a level to be sure the wall mount bracket is installed evenly. Mark the locations where the bolts will be placed. Remove the seals on the back of the wall mount bracket. Then, fix the wall mount bracket to the wall. Using 5 pi-5 65mm screws, fasten the wall mount bracket to the wall. Next, we will install the OLED TV. Attach the setup guide sheets to both sides of the wall mount bracket before installing the OLED module. Now, let's unpack the OLED module. Lift the rear foam packing from around the OLED module. Then, remove the protective cover from the OLED module. Remove the adhesive primary cable protector and holder from the back of the OLED module. Then, extend the primary cable attached to the back of the OLED module. Finally, remove the protective film with Velcro strip from the module. Being sure to support the bottom of the OLED module, lift the module and line up with position number 1 on the setup guide sheets. Push the OLED module downwards to secure it to the bracket. Make sure it lines up with position number 3 on the setup guide sheets. Let's check that the OLED module is securely fastened to the bracket. Press down on the top of the module to attach the bracket firmly. There are 6 magnets that secure the OLED module to the bracket. Press lightly on the OLED module to secure it to the bracket. Now, remove the setup guide sheets from the wall. Next, we will connect the OLED module to the AIO box. First, remove the AIO box protector and place the AIO box on the shelf. Remove the cover and the protective film from the primary cable. Plug the primary cable into the AIO box. Attach the primary holder over the connection after connecting the primary cable and fasten it with 10mm screws. Finally, press the power button on the remote control. Installation of the LG OLED TV W7 is complete. LG SIGNATURE OLED TV W.